Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today we're going to talk about getting to your destination. A lot of you guys are right here. Okay, you don't have any clients. You're out there, you're trying to get social media marketing clients, and you're trying new strategies, and it's just not working. Okay, and ladies and gentlemen, the funny thing about it is most of you guys won't do the necessary things to get you to your goal. Now, this represents $10,000 a month, okay, or $100,000 a month, okay, depending on how much you want to make. All right, but this is you starting off, ladies and gentlemen. And if you want to get to, let's say, $10,000 to $100,000 a month, there are some things you must go through. Now, most of the time when you guys start off in social media marketing, you don't want to read, you don't want to buy courses. That's the first obstacle. You don't want to hire a coach. Okay, these are the things that you don't want to do. Okay, but let me tell you something: successful people do what unsuccessful people aren't willing to do. So what I want to tell you, ladies and gentlemen, the first hurdle that you face is that you have to get over the hurdle of yourself, getting out of your own way. A lot of you guys are in your own way. You haven't taken that first leap of faith yet. Okay, this is you. All right. And you're like, oh no, I'm gonna stop right here. I don't want to buy that course. I don't want to do what I'm supposed to do. I don't want to pick up the phone and make cold calls. I don't want to get the scripts and everything necessary. I don't want to grow my mind. So if you don't get over that first hurdle, ladies and gentlemen, you'll never get to where you want to be. Okay? And so I've noticed that in my tenure of being successful in social media marketing and making a boatload of cash is that I had to go through the hurdles of success. Okay, you have to be willing to go through the hurdles of success in order to be successful. But this is where everybody starts off at. We all start off at ground zero. And I noticed that if you want to get from here to here, you have to go through hurdle one. Then you got to go through another hurdle. Your computer breaks down. Things start to happen. The unexpected, the coronavirus. You have to still keep moving, okay? And then before you get to that money, okay, I believe that you have that big wall, and this is where everyone stops at. Everyone stops right before they're just getting ready to have success, and then they quit. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, don't let that be you, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, understand that if you're gonna be successful, okay, you have to be willing to go through all the ups and downs and the hardship. Each one of those hurdles represent where you are right now. Perhaps you're right here, okay? Perhaps you're right here. Perhaps you're right here, meaning that you've purchased courses, okay? And the next step is a coach. Perhaps you're still on the fence about making cold calls. You're afraid to make cold calls. Perhaps you're just close enough getting your first social media marketing client. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here to tell you there is no such thing as an easy road to success. We all have to go through the ups and downs of business, okay? And it's part of the growth process, okay? So if you're right here, ladies and gentlemen, don't be discouraged. Don't be dismayed. What I want you to do is jump over that hurdle, okay? Perhaps you're struggling right now. You don't have the clients that you want. Keep going. Keep jumping over each hurdle, because each hurdle is going to get you closer to success. That's what you want, right? You want to be successful. And if you want to be successful, ladies and gentlemen, it requires, okay? It requires you to jump over each hurdle. And when you finally get over that final hurdle, ladies and gentlemen, that's when you're going to have your greatest breakthrough. That's where you're going to have your greatest success at, okay? But I don't know how long it's going to take you. It may take you a month. It may take you 2 days. It may take you 3 days. all I want to do is encourage you guys to keep moving. Don't let the coronavirus stop you, okay? Don't let negative people on the phone stop you, okay? Don't let an amount of a course or coaching stop you from getting to success. In fact, that's when I had some of my biggest breakthroughs, is when I purchased courses and I hired coaches. And a lot of unsuccessful people don't invest in their own mindset. They don't invest in their personal education. And that's why so many people have stopped now. And you wonder why, Maurice, why are you still going? Why are you still shooting videos? Why are you still doing the things that you are doing? Mindset, baby. I invest in me. I know this week I got to buy some courses. I got to keep moving. I'm trying to capitalize, okay, on what's happening, okay, in a positive way. Because it's not going to do me no good to sit at home with my thumb in my mouth. You know, most people got their thumb in their mouth and they're not doing anything. That's not going to help anybody, okay? We're supposed to be out there serving and helping people, okay? Don't let this virus stop you. Don't let a negative person on the phone stop you. Don't let that course stop you from purchasing it, okay? You got to do the things necessary. You got to stay up late. A lot of you guys don't want to stay up late and get up early. You have to sacrifice, okay? You have to give up to come up. You guys are just that close to making $10,000 to $100,000 a month if you keep moving, okay? Success is a progressive realization of a worthy ideal. Ladies and gentlemen, how do you know you're successful? You're continually moving in the direction of your goal. Here's another thing that I see so many people doing. They're on a track to success. They're jumping over the hurdles. Then what they do is they turn around and they go in the opposite direction. They start watching Netflix. They start watching TV. They start doing all this other stuff. And then guess what? Lo and behold, they're off track. A lot of you guys are off track. Let me get you back on track. Okay, let's start picking back up the phone. Let's pick up a book today. Let's get a course today. Let's hire a coach today. Let's get back on track. Now, we know the coronavirus is going, and a lot of you guys have been watching TV all day long. You haven't read a book. You haven't listened to nothing positive. You haven't logged into your members area. Okay, you're still doing the same thing. Okay, you're still doing the same thing, ladies and gentlemen. The same thing. Okay, let's get going in the right direction. Let's get back on track. A lot of you guys are off track. Let's get back on track and pick up the phone and let's stay on track. And you have to feed your mind if you want to stay on track, ladies and gentlemen. You have to keep going, all right? And the way you keep going is you got to grow. You got to invest in this. Stop watching the news, because the news will detract you. Yeah, you want to kind of keep track of what's going on, but some of you guys are just being consumers of that negative stuff. You got to get some positive stuff in here. What you put in here will manifest out here. What you put in here will manifest out here. A lot of you guys are manifesting brokenness in here, and it's manifesting out here, okay? If you want things to happen out here, you have to make it manifest in here. If you want $10,000 out here, it has to be $10,000 in here, okay? You can't make $100,000 a month if you have programmed a $1,000 mind. And most people have $1,000 mindset. If your mind is at $1,000, you can never get to 10,000 or 100,000. You can't get to that. You'll never get to 10,000 or 100,000. You'll never get there, ladies and gentlemen. It's all about your mindset. Your mindset will dictate your success. Okay? That's why I've been on this so much, especially now. Why are some people stopping and going? It's all about mindset. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, okay? We all have the same 24 hours in a day, but some of us are using our 24 hours better than the rest of us, and therefore we're starting to get results, okay? So ladies and gentlemen, remember, this is you, okay? You got to go through all of this to get to that, okay? There's no such thing as a free lunch. A lot of you guys want a free lunch. You guys just want to automatically get $10,000 a month without investing in yourself, without taking persistent and consistent daily action so that you can get better, okay? You want to make $10,000 a month, you got to become a $10,000 a month person, okay? The person you are now is not going to be the person that gets you to $10,000 a month. That's why you got to invest in the courses, the training. That's why you have to do that. Think about a doctor. A doctor starts off here, okay? The dentist, he starts here. Nobody wakes up a dentist. Nobody wakes up an attorney. You got to go to school. They have to change. You have to grow. You have to be a different person in order to get different results. And a lot of you guys want different results, but you're the same person. And you're selling yourself a false dream. Okay? And that's why I'm here to give you the truth. You listen to my channel, you're going to get the truth. Okay? I can't tell you not to listen to positive stuff. I can't tell you not to buy courses and get a coach and to keep moving. If I did, I would be lying to you. It's the equivalent of me telling you that a person can become a doctor without going to school. Just won't happen. You got to get out there and do it, and you have to learn it if you want to be it and if you want to achieve it. Okay? So that's why I'm giving you guys the shimmy. That's what you call the shimmy. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys enjoyed this training. Just wanted to put some more stuff out there to help you guys. I know you're probably picking up the phone, may not be getting results. Perhaps you started to do Facebook ads, you're not getting results. Perhaps you're in real estate, Shopify, affiliate marketing. You're doing all this stuff and you're wondering why you're not having success, because you're still here. You're still here, okay? But guess what? Just jump over it and keep going. And you'll eventually hit your goal, ladies and gentlemen, if you keep going. Okay, my name is Maurice. It's been a fun, pleasing pleasure. Make sure you guys smash the thumbs up, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you guys thought about this training. And like I said, ladies and gentlemen, just keep moving. Okay, I know the virus and stuff is real, but keep moving so you can help somebody in their life, in their desperate moment. Get out there and serve mankind. See you guys in the next one. Bye for now.